You're watching how to display a custom message on lock screen in Samsung. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen. Within the lock screen settings, look for contact information or owner information. Tap on it. You will see a text field where you can type your custom message, like your name, phone number, or a short note. Enter the text you want to appear. On your lock screen, tap Save or Done. Your custom message will now be displayed on the lock screen, usually in the bottom left or center, depending on your phone model and clock style. To make it more prominent, you can adjust the clock style. Go back to lock screen settings, tap clock style, and choose a style that works well with your text. Another method is to use the Good Lock customization suite from the Galaxy Store. Download Good Lock and then install the Lockstar module. Open Lockstar to have more advanced control over lock screen elements, allowing you to add and position custom text anywhere. For a simple, built-in solution, the owner information feature is best. This message is useful for returning a lost phone. The text will always appear on the lock screen, even when notifications are present. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.